you to each of you for joining us today to celebrate this extraordinary day, filling our lives with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. I also want to extend a warm welcome to Alex family. Today, we are just witnessing the union of two wonderful couple, but we also, where are we? The union of two wonderful people, but also joining the Twassons and the Maninis. Yay! Finally, it's official. We're now family, guys. So, let's just go back to a little story about how Jasmine and Alex met. I've always wanted Jasmine to be a nurse. I know this is quite a story to tell. And when she went to UCR to take up biology, I was a bit disappointed because I actually wanted her to be a nurse. But lo and behold, it was God's plan that she was going to meet her Prince Charming, her soulmate. So, and then she turned out to be a nurse too. So, sometimes God has a better plan than my plan or Jasmine's plan. So, but I admire Jasmine for her courage as she dove in and head first as an ER nurse during COVID. This girl, regardless of the COVID situation, when everybody wanted her to stop being a nurse, because you don't want your daughter, your firstborn, to risk her life, saving lives. And yet, she had a courage to keep going. And she also became an NP, following her mom's footsteps. I'm beaming with pride for this, rock star. And I just want to be reminded when I met Alex, I guess that was Thanksgiving in 2015. When I first met them as a couple, I really felt the love, in each other. They have been inseparable, and I was always been impressed by their deep affection and love for each other. And I know their relationship has been flourished with their successive year. And I do not even remember any major disagreement unless Jasmine doesn't tell me so. They have managed their relationship with exceptional emotional intelligence. When I ask Jasmine to do something, she always asks me, well, I have to discuss it with Alex. And I'm like, why do you have to discuss this with Alex? But that's what couples do, Mom. I know you don't discuss that with Dad, but I will have to make sure I don't follow what you do with Dad. And, to my beautiful daughter, I know you did an excellent, magnificent job. To be honest, I really wanted her to help with planning this wedding. But hats off to her, she did it all. These are all her basically planning the event, because I'm Baduy. If this is my planning, this would be like one time, everything will probably turn out a disaster because I have a scattered brain. She's very organized. She did a great job. Don't you think so, guys? And, as I said, she has really, did an amazing job. So to my beautiful daughter, Jasmine, you brought us so much joy and love into my life. From the moment you were born, watching you grow into the incredible woman you are today has been one of the greatest privileges of my life. You are driven, generous, loving, tenacious, strong, kind, and I have a heart that knows no bounds. I am so proud of the person you become and the life you built. And to Alex, I want to say welcome to our family. From the moment we met you, we knew you were someone special. The way you look at Jasmine and care for her speaks volumes about the kind of person you are. We are so happy to have you as a part of our family. You're going to speak that, don't worry. You'll need to return in the next 2 minutes. As you both embark on this journey together, I want to share a little piece of advice. Marriage is not just about finding the right partner, it's about being the right partner. It's about growing together, supporting one another, and facing life's challenges hand in hand. Always remember to communicate. Unlike Dad and I, we don't communicate well. Be kind and never stop laughing together, but we do laugh together. So let's raise our glasses. Let's raise our glasses to Jasmine and Alex. May your marriage be filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. Remember to always put God first and keep Him as the center of your marriage. And of course, because your wedding is on September 1st, hint, the rent is on us. Here's to a lifetime of happiness. Cheers.
Like 30 seconds.
Dapat rent for the whole year. Only 1 month. Yeah, 1 year.
Congratulations. Yes. You're lucky to have a couple of great friends. The right people lead you to the end. You will grow. The right people lead you to the end. You will all grow together. See all together. Do it all together. Lose and cry together. Oh, God knows. You will never find someone like my daughter Jasmine. Like her to help you raise all for others. Give you kind words and love you unconditionally. Now I ask you all raise your glass and toast to Alex and Jasmine. Alex and Jasmine.
Naiiyak naman ako.
Put God first. Everything you do, always be kind. Alex and Jasmine, enjoy everything of every marriage you have. And love one another. And always respect one another. Alex and Jasmine, we love you. And with that said, cheers, everyone. Let's give it up to Mr. and Mrs. Jasmine and Alex Tuason. Party and more shot.
Daddy is drunk.
That's just him normally.
Ba't ang kutsara?
Let's hear it one more time, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. toast. Please welcome Jasmine's siblings, Joanna and Jackson.
I'm honored to be standing here today as the maid of honor. Actually, really honored to be standing here. I know some of us had tummy troubles this weekend and have been sitting on the toilet since Friday.
That was me. Sorry.
Our families had eaten together at a buffet for pre-wedding festivities, so shout out to those who made it out today despite the bowel challenges. Tonight we celebrate the bride, my beautiful sister Jasmine, and her amazing groom, Alex. Growing up, Jasmine and I shared everything together. From having the same room, to sharing our clothes, to sharing our childhood traumas together. When we were kids, our parents used to have us always match in gymboree outfits. But Jasmine was getting to an age where she was finding her own fashion, and there was this one Little Mermaid dress she got from Disneyland that I also loved. But this one dress was her favorite, so we'd fight over who got to wear it. Like, I'd be wearing it, and she'd try to pull it off of me. There'd be hair pulling and fighting, and sometimes Mom, Dad, and Noah would have to get involved. Now seeing you in your wedding dress shows just how far you've come. As siblings, Jensen and I were used to being the closest family to Jasmine, but now it seems we're in a bit of a competition for her attention and her time. I suppose that's just part of watching you start this new chapter with Alex. Jasmine, you've been my other half since day one. It's been an incredible journey watching you grow into the remarkable woman you are today. I know it's not easy to plan a wedding, but I think today is a testament of you and Alex's aesthetic, ambition, and hard work. And I know you found your other half, your perfect match. I know that I'm not losing a sister, but gaining a brother. I know that you both deserve the best and complement each other well. Alex, thank you for being there to always love and support her. I have high standards for my sister and always want the best. Thank you for being attentive to her and bringing out the vulnerable parts, and for being part of our family. Know that I'll always be here to love and support. JJ, I know I don't say this often, but I'm so proud of everything that you are. You've become such an incredible woman before our eyes. Growing up with you, and now watching you guys grow and love together has been a tremendous honor. And we've been doing makeup since 7, so I'm not gonna cry. Your happiness means the world to me, and I'm so excited to see the wonderful future you both will create. Here's to my other half, finding her other half.
Hold it together. I'll hold it together with both of us, hopefully. Good evening, everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Jasmine's brother. And to my newly wed sister, JJ. Growing up with siblings is a unique experience, to say the least. For those who grew up without any siblings, you'll never understand the fear that hits you when you get an angry text message from your sister telling you to shut up for playing video games too loudly at midnight. But to be fair, she's also the one who introduced me to Pokemon, which led to my passion for video games. So if anything, she's technically the one who brought that upon herself. But that's just one of our countless memories that we've had together. I've seen your highs, from starting your YouTube channel and receiving passive income, shameless plug by the way, subscribe to Jazz the Nurse. To your lows, like when you came home crying and venting about your hard-headed patience and how frustrating it was. But through it all, we will always be there with you, every step of the way. And we want you to know how incredibly proud and happy we are for you to be the first of us siblings getting married. We love you. And to my new brother-in-law, Alex. It feels like you've seen me grow from a grumpy middle schooler to a grumpy high schooler to a grumpy college student to your grumpy brother-in-law. But in the moments we talked, you've always been a genuinely good person. Whether we're sharing a quick joke or talking about video games or moping over the Lakers' loss, you've always made conversation feel natural. Like I was more than JJ's brother, like I was your friend. And the bachelor's party was the first time I really got to know you better. Spending time together with the boys, messing around, cracking jokes, taking shots, and I realized how much you fun are to be around and how well you treat others. After those moments, I knew my sister chose well. Thank you for being the brother I wish I always had. Alex, take care of my sister, okay? I hope you enjoy growing old with her as much as we enjoyed growing up with her. To Jasmine and Alex, here's to a lifetime of love and happiness.
Let's hear it one more time for Joanne Jensen, ladies and gentlemen. Up next for the toast, please welcome Mr. JC.
Hi everybody. I just start off my speech by saying, I'm 25, I'm single. Good evening everyone. First off, I just want to say what an absolute honor it is to be here today. When I look out at all of you, and then I look back at the happy couple, and I'm actually standing here today giving a speech, it feels so surreal. It feels like yesterday he just asked me to be his best man. When he told me, I felt such immense joy, not just because it's an important role, but because it's a reflection of our bond, a bond that has been strong our entire lives. Alex is my big brother. You were the person I knew I could always count on no matter what. You were always there when I needed you, whether it was to give advice, share a laugh, or just listen. And no matter how much time has passed between us seeing each other, it never affected our closeness. That to me just shows how strong our bond is. Unshakable, unbreakable, really, really strong. And now, as I stand here today, I can't help but feel a little bittersweet. It's a little sad to think that your party days are over. My partner, but we all know that there comes a day that every Sean Hunter has to eventually give away his Corey Matthews. But I am beyond excited for the new journey you and Jasmine are about to embark on. Being Alex's better half is an understatement. You truly are a blessing to him. You made him 10 times better than the man that he is. You truly are a blessing. You're his better half, you're his lobster, but more importantly, you're his Topanga. I'm so excited for the new journey you guys are about to embark on. Seeing the two be together, the love you share is obvious, and it's truly something special. And Jasmine today officially become my big sister. So let's raise our glasses to my brother and my sister. May your lives be filled with happiness, adventure, and endless love. I'm so happy for the both of you guys, and I cannot wait to see where this chapter takes you.
Naubos na yung aking ano. Tulog. Tulog na si Tita Fel. Ha?
Here, one more time, JC, ladies and gentlemen. And now at this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move forward to the rest of the reception with the pair dances. We're going to start with the mother-son dance. We have Alex to the dance floor with his mother, Dr. Angie.
Saan mas ka?
Ano sila dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos parang research. Ako naiyak.
Libo.
Ako naiyak. Wala naman yung matagal ka pa sila.
Everybody give it up one more time. Up next, we got brother-daughter dance. Mother Elmer.
Nagkaganyan kami.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, we got the cake cutting. Now, Jasmine and Alex make their way over to the cake.
Good job, Dad.
Kare-rehearse lang yan.
Jensen, choreograph mo.
Let's take pictures with the little group cutting the cake. They may do so. Please be mindful of the photographers over there as they try to make their shots as much appreciated. Thank you.
Tayo sinasunod.
Why? Sa si Bornok na. Kanina sabi namin ay, paano sabi niya open bar? Tapos sabi namin ay, ate, yung saglit na, ay, phone share. Wala, dire-diretso siya. Sabi ko kanina. Ay, akala ko nag-start. Akala ko nag-cut sila. O, nag-cut na? Malamig ka, darling. Malamig? Malalapit na ako. Oh, galing naman ang dance nila eh. Bakit wala sila nung yung parang melon? Meron ka sa una? Sa huli yun? Sa una? Sa una? Meron ba? Nagpali-pali sila eh. Ay, di, matagal yun eh. Parang, may pali na ba sila? Antok na ako. Na? Meron ka lang chichirya. Meron ka ng cake. Ice cream. Pwede na ba ng cake? Ako siya bibili. Ako siya bibili. Pangawa. Malamig na. Ate, may hawak ka na naman. Oh, yes.
In the meantime, we're going to take that real quick shot. We have one more item up on the agenda, ladies and gentlemen, before we get the dance party started.
May mais ko din. Hindi pa may siguro pag ano.
First girl. Don't drink too much.
Get into it. I know, right?
It's for free.
You want one? You want wine? No, I got some.
Lumer, kare-rehearse mo lang. Kare-rehearse mo lang kanina.
Galing naman ni Elmer.
Dala pa na, kailangan na.
We have Jasmine and Alex head on up to the dance floor at this time.
Kailangan text, mag-ano ka, mag-healthy ka, baka makadance ka kay Nibo.
Ibo.
Ha?
Wala, mag-healthy ka. Baka hindi na maka-dance kay
Iyak
Nigo.
na nga ako eh. Umiyak ako na magdadance si Alex.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Jasmine and Alex up to the dance
Pa-healthy ka.
floor. What we have up next
Baka hindi ka.
is the money dance. This is the opportunity for you, the guests, to share your early
Pare,
days
wala
with
kaming
Jasmine and
money.
Alex. And don't get a little something to help them start their lives out together as husband and wife.
Nakakala,
So reach into your purses,
pero sila ay Philippine money.
reach into your wallets, get some of that green paper cash money. Come on up and share your early dance with Jasmine and Alex.
Ano yan?
Mas mahal siguro.
Magkano yan?
So, ano, time and a half? Mas mahal ang ito.
For those in the digital age, they also take Venmo in addition to the cash.
Huh?
Money! That's my money!
Check na. Nandun na sa box.
Don't be shy, ladies and gentlemen. Come on up for the money dance. They take cash and they take
Pero dito si
Venmo.
Roy, ano, Philippine peso. Peso. Mali! Sir! Sabi mo kami sa
Woo! Sarah! Nagawin ko yun. Ito si Alec. Babaria. Kasi Angel parang. Kasi Angel parang luka.
Ha?
Angel.
Ano ito?
Diyan na. Okay. Oh.
Tara, halika natin.
May ano ka, may kukunin ka.
May growers. Growers yung iba. Ano ba kayo ito? Nakakalakas ako lang. Ang bilang ginawa ng
We're gonna get the dance party started in just a moment, but first, if we could have everybody on the dance floor for a group photo with Jasmine and Alex. Everybody, if you're seated at the tables, if you're standing over on the walls, we need everyone to head on up to the dance floor for a group photo.
puro lang.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's very All right, we still got more people coming up for the group photo. Everybody getting close. Getting close so the photographers can see you in that shot. It's made for me. All right, so here comes the first shot. We're gonna have everybody smile. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Everybody smile. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and the last one. All right, everybody hear that? 1, 2, 3.
sa chair. Yung magbaba mo sa chair. Hindi. Ano gusto mo ice cream? Baba mo sa chair para may ulit. Ano gusto mo ice cream? Dito siya. May cake ka na? Wala, nasa Ali, may cake, may that cake.
I had a hard time finding Ube. That guy.
Ay,
Thank you. Are you leaving? Alright, can
Ay, kanya!
There you go. Malapit na po yung... Sige. Asan na yung masaya? Wala na?
Yeah, may kopya ka na ba? May kopya ka na? Saan si Mabig? Tunas ng kanyang ice cream. Baunin daw niya eh. Tikman ko nga itong ice cream niya. Maulas eh. Masarap din.
Kumais ko niya rin.
Yung ube masarap. Ano sa'yo, May? Bakit? Kailangan ba? Dari, tago mo nga sa iyong ano. Mamaya nga dadalhin niya, kaya masyadong marami. Tago mo dun sa ano.
Hindi magkasya yan eh. Hindi magkasya.